What's up, guys? Another video here. I know how to. I'm gonna be showing you how to get the toxic firework. It's gonna be pretty easy. I just learned it because I was playing on which one was it? I was playing on Twitter HQ. I think it was, yeah. And then I saw it on Wave 8. It's gonna be, I think it's on this map. Wait. No, it's not this map. Sorry. It's gonna be, Cameraman HQ, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's gonna be here. So all you have to do for it, you put on easy, and then when it's wave 8, it's gonna spawn right over here in the corner. So that's gonna be how you get the toxic fire. I'll keep looking for all of them. Bye bye.